session, I would like to discuss your assignments and how I am going to do the feedback and when you can expect it. So few people show up when you get assignments to do. I just briefly browsed through it and saw, get a feeling of for how many hours I'm in for. I think I'm going to have to spend about an hour per assignment. So thank you very much for your diligence and your enthusiasm in this regard. You definitely exceeded my expectations. And I enjoyed looking through it, and I already looked at some of your group work reports that proof of group work. Thank you for sharing your WhatsApp chats with me. It was fun. And also to see when you worked at that thing. I mean, not early. Most of you start fairly late. Okay, before the due date, but I suppose that's procrastination, and is one of the, well, procrastination may be a wrong word. So thank you, but having said that, you should not expect any feedback. I will first grade all the assignments before I return your marks, and that is going to take some time. So I'm not going to spend one day just marking assignments, because what happens is you then get that fed up factor, and it's not fair to the ones that you mark last. So only expect feedback, I think, after semester test week 2. So then I will have some proper time to spend on grading your assignments and giving you decent feedback. And then we will have a discussion on the content and revisiting the implications and discuss some of the feedback. I will arrange a session after the test week. But for now, thank you for your efforts. I'm looking forward to grading your assignments. It seems as if I am going to learn a thing or two. So yes, that's it on the grading of the assignments and when you can expect it, some admin. Another thing while I am recording this admin session is please pay attention to the scope for semester test 2. You will see that currently we are busy with this, all the mass transfer aspects, and you are definitely going to have to consider Theme6, the external diffusion and internal diffusion for first order reactions only in the semester test. But you will also be assessed on the equilibrium reactions in non-isothermal reactions, non-isothermal. So the energy balance, equilibrium reactions, that last stat that we did before semester test week 1, it was not assessed in detail in semester test 1, so I am going to reassess it. So please, if you get a chance, just okay, I know you don't get a chance, but I mean, just keep it in mind in terms of your preparation so that you can maybe revise that and just specifically that content again, so that you don't lose those skills in terms of using IFSOL, finding maxima in rates and modeling rates while you are. So when you need a break, why don't you just model a non-adiabatic or a adiabatic reactor where you've got a reversible reaction in. If you're in need of some exercise, why don't you do that? Okay, so any questions on the administrative aspects? Let me just check if somebody typed something. Questions before I stop the recording on this aspect? Right. Okay, so next, stop